Allah Azza wa Jal mandated that we give zakat whenever we have gold, silver, or whatever carries their role. So what is the threshold of gold? Scholars say, after long means of calculation, that the threshold of gold is 85 grams of 24 karat gold. So if I have in my possession 84 grams of 24 karat gold, I do not have to pay zakat. If I have 85, I have to give 2.5% of that after one lunar year is completed. Okay, what about if I have 100? Should I give 2.5% of the whole 100, or only for what exceeds the 85, which is the 15 grams? No, you have to give the whole thing. If I have a kilogram, 2.5%. That's a lot of money, yes. But the one who gave you the kilogram of gold also is so generous with you and did not say that this is a lot of money. What about if it's less than 24 carats of gold? If you have 85 grams, but it is 20 carats of gold, there's no zakat. Because the difference between 20 and 24, these four is made of copper or other metals. So the 20 karat gold is not 100% pure. It has impurities mixed with it. And this is why you have to do the calculation by multiplying the amount you have by 20 and dividing it by 24, and then you will have the actual. What about if I have silver? Okay, the threshold of silver is 595 grams of silver. The same concept apply. Less than 595, there's no zakat. Whatever goes above, there is zakat, providing that it completed the whole lunar year in your possession.